Hey everybody, it's Eric from epautos.com, your Libertarian car guy, and if you saw my last video, you'll notice that the mighty ZRX is back together again. Yay! I had to put new fork seals in the forks, and that's because the bike mostly sat for the past year. And just FYI, it's a good idea to cycle the forks periodically. Better yet, ride the bike to prevent fork seals from rotting out and leaking, because of course it's kind of a pain in the butt job to do fork seals. Not technically difficult, but it does require disassembling most of the front end of the bike, and it's messy and it's nasty, and it's best put off for as long as possible or avoided if you possibly can. Anyway, while I was dry docking the bike and getting it back in shape for the road, which hopefully I'm going to get it on this summer, I also decided to clean the chain. Another thing that falls under the category of routine maintenance, which has not been routinely done the past couple of years for me because of divorce and other issues. But anyway, wanted to show you a cool tool that you can use to make cleaning the chain a little bit easier. Let me get over here. And I have to do this one-handed, unfortunately, because I don't have an assistant or an intern to do this. But anyway, here's the tool that I use to clean the chain, and it's kind of a specialized brush. Now, normally you have to pull the chain off the bike and put it in solvent and clean it with a toothbrush or a brush or some such. That's what generally you do, and that's a pain in the butt. You got to pull the wheel, or at least you've got to decrease the tension on the wheel so you can pop the chain off the sprockets. Undo the clip, take the chain apart, blah blah blah. This way you can do it with the chain in position, adjusted on the bike, and be on your way in no time at all. Now what you also do need, which I haven't got in position to show you, is a rear jack to raise the back of the bike up so that you can rotate the wheel as you do this. It's helpful to have these little spools so that you can do that. At any rate, come on cat, ease off. What you do once you've got the bike up in the air is you hose it down with a solvent like this. This product's pretty good. And you just stick this sucker in the chain like that. You can see how the brushes are designed to fit the chain. And just rotate the chain and spray the gunk on as you scrub and spray and clean. And before you know it, you've got a nice clean chain again. And then you can coat it with the product of your choice. I'm going to show you the product that I like. And again, this is not a product paid product endorsement or anything. It just happens to be the product that I like to use. This stuff, I like this stuff a lot. This is Bel-Ray's Clear Chain Lube. It does not make a mess. So if you're an OCD neatnik like I am, as you can see from some of my old bikes here, I like to keep stuff looking pretty. You can use that on your chain and it won't splatter ugly grease everywhere all over your nice pretty bike. Anyway, just thought I'd post a video about that. Should have more up shortly at epautos.com, and if this rain will go away, hopefully I'll get a chance to take a little stinker out. That's my Kawasaki 2-stroke, and old reliable here, my 76 KZ900. Which, despite being 42 years old and a genuine bona fide antique, is actually a very roadworthy, very reliable, ride it anywhere bike, were it not for the fact that it's so clean and pretty, and I'm paranoid about getting it wet and dirty, but that's a whole nother story. Anyway, thanks for viewing, and we'll have more for you up at epautos.com shortly, including an article about Chevrolet's announcement that the 2019 Silverado 1500 will use a 4-cylinder engine. This is the first time that a major manufacturer has put a 4-cylinder engine in a 1500 series truck. And you can read my take on that up on the website, epautos.com. We thank you for viewing, and we'll catch up with you again soon.